Hello, my name is Nathan Wood. I'm from the Mechatronics Pathway. For my senior capstone, I decided to make and code a checkers game that will play against you. I enjoy playing a lot of different board games, but there's not always someone to play with, which pushed me to take on this project. I also wanted to learn new skills that I could carry through college and a future career, which led me to the decision to learn how to code Python on a Raspberry Pi board. To complete this project, I started learning how to code Python before starting on the hardest part of my journey, which was creating the guided user interface which you play on, and then eventually creating the AI that you will play against. After learning the basics, I started to code in all of the different board elements, including the board itself and the pieces. Then I focused on being able to move the pieces on both sides of the board and displaying all of the possible moves. Next, I created the code that would allow me to jump pieces and then also king pieces when they crossed to the other side of the board. The final step of the coding was creating the AI algorithm that would play the best move possible, and then creating the program that would send the best move to the Arduino Lite controller. From there, I created the physical board where I wired everything up and connected it to the Arduino so I could control when the lights would turn on and off. The biggest challenges I faced were all within the coding. I ran into a lot of various error messages and bugs when I would test my code, which I would end up having to find solutions on coding websites and public forums. One of the biggest issues I ran into was being able to have the checkers game run at the same time as the serial communication with the Arduino. To solve this, I had two different programs, one with the board elements and one with the serial communication. In the end, this is one of my favorite projects that I've done. I've learned a lot of new coding skills and taken away many lessons that will help me in the future.